In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make n8n dark mode. Whether you spend all day building automations or you're hopping in for a quick change, switching to dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes and provide better contrast for nodes and connections. Start by opening your n8n instance and heading to the Workflows home. This is the main dashboard where you typically see your existing workflows and the option to create new ones. From here, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. You'll usually see a small gear icon there. It opens the area where you control your account and interface preferences. Inside Settings, choose Personal. This is important because theme and appearance are individual preferences. If you're part of a shared workspace, changing the theme here affects only your account and won't alter how other teammates see their screens. Once you're in the Personal section, go to Personalization. This is where n8n puts visual preferences, including the theme. It's designed to keep all appearance-related options in one place so you don't have to hunt around the interface. Find the theme option. Depending on your version, you'll typically see choices like light, dark, and sometimes a system-based option that follows your operating system's theme. For today's setup, select dark. As soon as you pick it, you should see the interface preview shift to darker tones, which helps reduce glare, especially in low light environments, and can be more comfortable during longer sessions. After selecting dark, make sure to click Save. This is a key step. Without saving, your change may look active for the moment but won't stick when you navigate away or the session refreshes. Saving locks in your preference across the workflow editor, node panels, and the rest of the UI the next time you sign in. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If the theme doesn't switch immediately after saving, give the page a quick refresh. Also keep in mind that theme settings are personal, so if you use multiple browsers or devices, you'll still get the same dark theme as long as you're signed into the same account. And if you ever want to go back to a lighter look, you can return to the same personalization area and change the theme again at any time. That's it. Your n8n is now in dark mode, ready for comfortable building and reviewing.